A PAN networks which is connected to a multiple devices, USB, camera, game port, printers, phone cables, television, VCR, camcorders, stereos, and many other devices. Here are some example of that are used in a PAN are personal computers. A PAN may include wired and wireless devices, and to reach a PAN typically depending on your Bluetooth networks. If your Bluetooth configuration and if you are using a latest Bluetooth, like nowadays it will be a version 5.0. Okay, so it have a capacity to expand the radius of that network. So typically it will be at 10 meters. LAN stand for local area networks, and the local area networks are private networks and can span radius of up to 1 kilometers. They are generally established within a building or campus. See in a figure. See, there's a Mac operating system, PCs, server, Mac, PC, and printer. So multiple computer systems are connected with the help of the server, and the printers also attached to that server, so that every PC have a different operating system, but external devices will be a printers can access by all the PC. Next one is MAN, which is stand for Metropolitan Area Networks. It may be owned by a single organization or by many individuals or organization. These networks are used to establish link within a city and span an area of radius of up to 50 kilometers. A MAN facilitates sharing of resources by connecting various local networks. For example, a cable television network within a city, which is known as metropolitan area networks. And last one, WAN, which is stand for wide area networks. Typically, a WAN span a segment of about 1,000 kilometers. They use for long distance communication and are well suited for connecting remote areas. They establish link with a country or continent. A WAN may be owned and managed by several organizations. It connects various local and metropolitan area networks. See how WAN will work like. See. A workstation, data receivers, historian networks, CIS, WAN internet, private links, substations, other entities, public service networks, substation control networks. All these networks and the multiple networks are make internet. So its a definition are more than one computers are connected together, which is known as WWW, Wide Wide Web. In this networks architecture, a computer systems and computer networks will be bifurcate in a topologies. So here, topologies is the arrangement of the node in a network, which is called network topology. There are broadly two type of topologies, which is broadcast and point to point. In a broadcast topology, all nodes when one node transmit and all the other nodes can receive. Here, a collision may occur when more than one node simultaneously transmit, and there is a collision resolution mechanism for handle it. A broadcast topology are mainly bus and ring. In point-to-point technology, the topologies are two pair of two nodes, and every node has a dedicated links. Means it have a own link to connect it to one computer to another network. So popular point-to-point technologies are star and mesh topology. Let's learn about the first one, bus topology, which is a broadcast topology. In a bus topology, see in a figure, there is a long cable. See, which is connected with a long cable and which is called a backbone cable or simply a backbone of these networks that connects various nodes through a connector which is called C, a tap. In this, a message sent by one is received by all the devices connected to the backbone cable. This topology required less cable and is easy to install and extend the network lead using it. However, a fault detection and isolation is difficult because there is a only single cable is there. And in this topology, if the one message will be passing out to second person, like here, one message will be passing to a workstation to a terminator, means last computer system. So these messages are going to be read all the computer system one by one because there is a single cable connected. All the cables are here. Next one is ring topology. See. In the ring topology, all the devices are attached to a cable in the form of ring. The message to be communicated is transmitted in one direction, thereby relay the message to the intended recipients. Addition and deletion of the devices and fault detection and isolation is very easy. However, the topology suffers from the limitation of single point failure, which leading to a disturbance of the entire network, which is sending a message from one node to another. And node may take more time, 4 steps while sending a message from device A to device E, means one computer to ending of the device. Next one is star topology. See, this is the star topology. In the star topology, all the devices are connected to the central controller, which is called a hub, as shown in figure. A communication between any two devices taken place through the hub, which is responsible for relaying messages. Star network can be easily installed and configured. And also full detection and isolation is very easy because all the computer systems are connected to a single hub only. Star networks can be easily identified of the computer system if fault will be occurred, because all the computer system in a star topology are connected individually via cable to the hub. It required more cablings as compared to the bus and zinc topology. So if hub will be failure, it will lead to networks failure in this star topology. Next one is mesh topology. In a mesh topology, every node is connected with every other node in a network because of dedicated point-to-point connection between every possible pair of nodes. The topology provides secure data transfer without any traffic problem. It requires a large number of connections to establish the topology. This leads to difficulty in installation as the number of nodes grown as the network grows. See, in this topology, every computers have every pair of the computer system, like one computer system and a rest of all the other computer system are connected together in a single one computer system. Next one is tree topology. See, this is the example of tree topology. A tree topology is a hybrid topology which is using a combination of star and bus. A backbone cable in a bus topology acts like the stem of a tree, and star networks are connected to the main backbone cables like the branches of a tree. See in a figure, a damage to a segment of a network laid using a tree topology will not affect any other segments. The installation and configuration is difficult as compared to the other topology because here are the multiple and different type of topologies which is used in a tree topology. But it's a combination of star and bus. So if the backbone cable is damaged, see the backbone cables are the single one in this topology. So the entire network's communication is disturbed. Next one is MAC addresses. See, once a network has been set up, the node can communicate among themselves. But for proper communication, the nodes should be unique identifiable. If a node X sends some information from node Y, means the computer system on a network, then it is mandatory that a node X and Y are uniquely identified on the network. So here, each NIC known as network interface card, has a unique address assigned to its manufacturers like this. See. This address is known as MAC, which is Media Access Control. Address of the card, it means that the machine with NIC can be identified unique through its NIC network interface card and MAC addresses. The MAC address of an NIC is a permanent and does not to be changed. MAC address are 12 digit, which is in a hexadecimal or 48 digits number. By convention, MAC address are usually written in one of the following two formats: SS, 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 with colon and with dash. So first half mm of a MAC address, which is contain the ID number of the adapter manufacturers. Then after the second half, which is SS of MAC address, represent the serial number assigned to the adapter by providing by the manufacturers. So here are the example of following the MAC addresses are C00 colon A0 colon C9 colon 14 colon C8 colon 35. The prefix first 6 character will be indicate that the manufacturer is Intel Corporation, and the last 3 number 14 colon C8 colon 35 are given by the manufacturers, which is Intel in this example of to NIC means network interface card. Next one is IP address. So every machine in a network has another unique identifying number, which is called its IP address. An IP address is a group of 4 bytes or 32 bits, each of which can be number from 0 to 255. A typical IP address looks like 59.177.134.72. To make it easier for us to remember this, IP addresses are normally expressed in a decimal format as a dotted decimal number like the above one. On a network, the IP address of machine and not the MAC address of its NIC, which is used to identify it. Do you recall IP protocols? IP protocol identified a machine with its IP address to route the packages, where the message to be transmitted from the server to the local host. So MAC address is used only when a specific machine is to be targeted. For example, suppose we want to block a specific PC to access some network resources. If you use the PC's IP address, then the PC is not blocked permanently, as its IP address may change when it connects to the networks next time. Instead, if the PC's MAC address is used for the purpose, then the job is done. An IP address is the unique 4-digit hexadecimal number, which is assigned to each node on a network. IP address settings of the node can be changed by the user, which is you might wonder how an IP address differ from a MAC address. In fact, the IP address is assigned by the network administrator, or network administrator are the person to manage, handle, and develop the IP configuration to enter the network like LAN, WAN, MAN, or the internet service provider, while the MAC address is assigned by the manufacturers, like we are using the BSNL networks, Airtel networks, Jio networks. So every computer's networks and every service provider have a different IP addresses. So here, if a computer is transformed from one network to another, its IP address gets changed, where as the MAC address retains the same. From the IP address, it is usually possible to track the tentative location of computer, but this is not the case with the MAC address. Next one will be a domain name. Everyone know about that domain name. See, here are the IP address, which is a classes in a pre-1993 mindsets. Class A, B, C, D, and E, and every IP address have a different IP codes, and it's a hosting networks and services. Next one, domain name. See, whenever we have to communicate with the computer on the internet, we can do so by using the IP address, but it is practically impossible for person to remember the IP address of all the computers one may have to communicate with. Therefore, a system has been developed which assigns a name to some computers and maintain a database of these names and corresponding IP addresses. These names are called domain name. So example of some domain name are cbsc.nic.in, then after sikimpr.org, indianrailway.gov.in, etc. So domain names are used in a URL to identify particular web services or a server. For example, the URL means www.cbsc.nic.in/welcome.html. This is the first page of that CBSC. The domain name is cbsc.nic.in. Here, a domain name usually has more than one parts. Top level domains name or primarily domains name and subdomain names. For example, in the domain name, in is the primary domain name, NIC is the subdomain name of in, and the CBSC is the subdomain of NIC. There are only a limited names and country specific domain names. For example, every country and every companies have a different domain name. Like if a company will be a commercial business, so domain name will be a .com. If the educational institutes, domain name will be .edu. If the governmental agencies are there, so domain name will be .gov. If defense websites is there, so domain name will be .mil. If network organization, domain name will be net. And if the organizations will be non-profitable like NGOs, so domain name will be .org. Here are some country specific domain names, like we are using that. See, .in for India, .au Australia, .ca Canada, .cs China, .nc New Zealand, .pk Pakistan, .jp Japan, and .qs United States of America. These all are the country specific domain name. So domain name resolution is the process of getting the corresponding IP address from domain name, and it happens as follows. Suppose you mention a URL in a web browser to visit the website. The browser first checks your computers to find if the IP address of the server corresponding to the domain names is present or not. If this address is present, then with the help of this address, the corresponding server is connected and then the website will be open in your browser. Otherwise, the browser sends the domain name to some specific server, which is called domain name server, to find the corresponding IP address. Once the IP address is known, the server is contacted and the website open in your browser. So let's here find out a domain IP address of Google. See here. This is the IP address used by the Google. Let's check it. It will be running or not. See, it's a Google public DNS IP address. It directly relocating from the Google. Okay. Next one is if you want to know about it, IP address of your computer system. IP address of so here is the steps. Open the Windows Start menu and click the networks and click the properties and view the status. Here, see network access and setting control. Then after here is that local area connection and properties. Internet protocol versions and properties. See, here is that 192.168.0.177. This is the IP address of this networks. Okay. So let's finish the class. Our class will be over. Time will be over. 1:10 is there. I uploaded this video on my YouTube channel and I posting the link in your class group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye all of you. Take care.
Bye, sir.